Imagine this. You're standing in front of your mirror one morning and it hits you like a freight train. The clothes that once fit you perfectly now feel snug. Your face looks puffier. You realize somehow, somewhere, things got off track. And you wonder, where did I go wrong? We've all been there. And right now, you might be thinking that getting back in shape is a complicated battle, a war of brutal workouts, boring diets, and endless sacrifice. But here's a truth nobody talks about. Losing weight is simple, not easy, but simple. And once you understand what really matters, it almost feels inevitable that you'll succeed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why. Stick with me till the end, because once you see this new perspective, weight loss won't just feel possible, it will feel natural. Most people believe that weight loss is 50% diet and 50% exercise. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. That's like saying building a house is 50% laying bricks and 50% painting walls. It's missing the real foundation. In truth, diet and exercise only cover about 25% of success. Another 25%? Sleep and stress management, your body's hidden levers. The remaining 50%? Your ability to actually follow through. And this last part, your consistency, is the real game changer. You can have the best workout plan and the cleanest diet, but if you can't stick to them consistently, they won't matter. Every transformation starts with a spark. Maybe it's seeing an old photo. Maybe it's bumping into an old friend who looks amazing. Maybe it's simply feeling tired of feeling tired. But inspiration is fragile. It burns bright and burns out fast. That's why you need to quickly turn that spark into something solid, a clear, measurable, achievable goal. Real example, Sam's story. Sam was 32 years old when he had his wake-up moment, seeing a vacation photo where he barely recognized himself. He was embarrassed, frustrated, and overwhelmed. But instead of just feeling bad, Sam acted. He didn't set a vague goal like lose weight. He said, I will lose 10 pounds by June 1st. Simple, measurable, deadline-driven. Setting a real goal transforms an emotional moment into a practical mission. Inspiration alone is not enough. You need a plan that's not just effective, but also easy to stick to when life gets messy. Forget about overcomplicating it. Example, plan. Breakfast, swap sugary cereals for 3 boiled eggs and a handful of strawberries. Morning routine, replace scrolling Instagram with a 20-minute walk. Small shifts, big results. The easier your plan is to follow, the harder it is to quit. You are a product of your surroundings. If your kitchen is stocked with cookies, guess what you're going to crave? If your running shoes are buried in the closet, guess what you won't do? Environment beats willpower. Prepare boiled eggs the night before. Keep healthy foods front and center. Lay out your workout clothes by your bed. Make healthy choices the path of least resistance. The hidden danger, excuses. There will be days when temptation hits hard, like the time I accidentally wandered into a diner at 2 a.m. after a long night out. In those moments, you'll hear the 5 deadly words, one cheat meal won't hurt. I'll start tomorrow. I'll skip dinner later. Maybe bulking isn't so bad. It's just one bite. Recognize these lies for what they are. Short-term comfort that sabotages long-term success. Anticipate them. Prepare your defense. Practice saying no before you even need to. Willpower is like a battery. It drains quickly. Habits are solar-powered. They recharge automatically. The goal isn't to fight your cravings every day. The goal is to not even think about them. When jogging becomes part of your identity, when eggs and berries are just what you eat, staying fit feels effortless. And the key to building habits? Consistency beats intensity. Understanding fat loss 101. Forget daily scale obsession. Your weight will bounce around like a yo-yo. Water retention, food weight, hormones. Instead, focus on weekly averages. Look at trends over time. Take monthly progress photos. Measure how your clothes fit. Fat loss is happening even when the scale tricks you into thinking otherwise. Calories, the unbreakable law. If you remember nothing else today, remember this. You must burn more calories than you eat. That's it. No magic keto diet. No special supplement. No secret workout hack. Just simple math. If you burn 2,000 calories a day and eat 1,700, you lose fat. Tracking calories, a superpower, not a prison. Many people think tracking calories is a punishment. In reality, it's like turning the lights on in a dark room. You see where you're going. Start simple. Use a free app. Buy a basic food scale. Learn portion sizes. It might feel tedious at first, but trust me, awareness leads to freedom. Because once you know what's in your food, you can control it. Not the other way around. Macronutrients, don't overcomplicate it. Focus mostly on getting enough protein for muscle retention and fullness, keeping fat moderate, healthy fats, not endless trail mix, letting carbs fill in the rest. Ignore complicated macro splits unless you're training for a bodybuilding competition. The trap of processed foods. Yes, you can lose weight eating nothing but Oreos if you're in a deficit, but your body will hate you for it. Ultra-processed foods are engineered to hijack your brain. They don't satisfy your hunger. They intensify it. Fill your diet with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats. The simpler the food, the simpler the journey. The secret weapon, eating for fullness. This is the trick nobody teaches. When you eat mostly unprocessed, fiber-rich foods, your stomach sends powerful "I'm full" signals to your brain. You naturally eat less without starving. Compare 200 calories equals 4 Oreos. 200 calories equals a giant bowl of strawberries. Which one do you think leaves you fuller? Cutting out snacks, the silent killer. Mindless snacking adds hundreds, even thousands of sneaky calories. Instead, eat 2 to 3 satisfying meals per day. Snack only on fruits, veggies, or high-protein options if truly hungry. Ask yourself, am I hungry or just bored? Your waistline will thank you. Real-life example, Michelle's transformation. Michelle, a 44-year-old nurse, lost 30 pounds in 6 months. Her trick, no calorie counting, no crazy workouts, just cutting snacks and switching to home-cooked meals. That's it. Simple, sustainable, successful. Wrapping it up, the ultimate takeaway. If you take away just one thing today, let it be this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Set small, real goals. Prepare your environment. Build habits, not battles. Prioritize natural, filling foods. Track your trends, not your bad days. Weight loss isn't some impossible mountain. It's a simple, winding path, and you're closer than you think. Start walking it today. You've got this.